The updated Insta360 Ace Pro 2 might just be the long-awaited DJI Action 6 killer. And what's funny is that Insta360 didn't even release a new camera to make that happen. Instead of pushing out a whole new body and calling it a generational upgrade, Insta360 made a much smarter move. They expanded the capabilities of the Ace Pro 2 far beyond what we normally consider action camera territory. They launched something that millions of users have been silently hoping for over the past years, because with this new Videography Kit, the Ace Pro 2 becomes more than just a rugged action camera for mud, rain, and underwater adventures. It suddenly becomes a street photography tool, a creative filmmaking device, a lifestyle camera, and a compact cinematic system that fits in your pocket but behaves like it's something 3 times its size. And it all starts with a new Videography Grip. If you ever use the All Explorer Grip, you will notice the difference immediately. The Explorer Grip was basically a cage without buttons. Nice, but definitely external. With new Videography Grip, the camera no longer feels like it's sitting inside the add-on. The grip becomes part of the camera itself. To connect it, you don't need Bluetooth pairing or any complicated setup. Just make sure that your Ace Pro 2 is updated to the latest firmware update. Then you simply place the camera inside the grip cage, plug in the USB-C connector, lock the side latch, and that's it. The camera instantly recognizes the grip. No searching, no pairing, no tapping on menus. It immediately becomes an unified system the moment you click in the place. Inside the settings, you now get a new grip menu where you can review and configure everything. The button behaviors, what the wheel controls, and whether the grip should change the camera. This charging option is important because inside the grip is a 2010 mAh battery that can top up the Ace Pro 2 while filming. It's like having an external battery pack built in directly into your handle. On the bottom of the grip, you still get a standard mounting point if you want to attach the setup to a tripod, clamp, or even a magic arm. On the top, you'll find the shutter button, a smooth zoom ring, and a fully customizable control wheel. The wheel can be set to adjust exposure value, ISO, color filters, or even shooting modes, and much more. Personally, I keep it on exposure value because when filming outdoors or in changing light conditions, being able to adjust exposure compensation instantly saves a lot of shots. But the highlight of the grip is something I never expected to see on an action camera: dynamic zoom. You can now smoothly zoom while filming, exactly like a hybrid camera. For the first time, zooming on an action camera isn't a digital afterthought. It's a real, responsive control. There is some minor delay when switching from the 2x to 2x HD if you are filming in 4K, but when shooting in 8K, the zoom feels incredibly smooth and cinematic. It transforms the Ace Pro 2 into a tiny filmmaking machine. You can use dynamic zoom for product B-roll, for travel footage, for quick reframing, for storytelling shots, or even for cinematic glide sequences. It's an unexpected feature that genuinely changes the visual language you can achieve with this camera.
The new Videography Grip also includes a dedicated TRS port, which means you can finally plug in an external microphone directly into the grip without relying on adapters or separate mounts. This is a huge upgrade for anyone who cares about audio quality, because now you can connect compact shotgun mics, wireless live receivers, or even handheld interview mics with zero hassle. Combined with a built-in cold shoe mount, the entire setup suddenly looks and feels like a miniature professional filmmaking rig. Your microphone sits securely on top, the camera stays balanced in your hand, and the whole system becomes a cohesive, polished, creator-ready setup that's perfect for vlogs, interviews, travel documentaries, or on-the-go content creation.
And this is just the beginning, because the new lens lineup pushes the Ace Pro 2 into creative territory no one thought the action camera could reach. Insta360 releases several filters and lenses, including anamorphic lenses, black mist, star filter, and more. But the two I tested extensively were the ultra-wide and the close-up macro, which are easily the biggest game changer. Attaching the new lenses is simple. First, you remove the stock lens by twisting it off, then you attach the new lens or filter the same way. What's really thoughtful is that each lens comes in a protective case, and the case lid doubles as a lens cap you can put directly on the camera when the lens is attached. It's a small detail, but it makes everyday use so much easier. After attaching a lens, don't forget to open the menu and select the filter or lens you are using. This allows the camera to adjust the distortion correction. image processing, and other hidden parameters to get the best result. The ultra-wide lens offers a massive 189-degree field of view. This is beyond ultra-wide. It's extremely immersive, but without the nasty fisheye warping you would expect from such a wide perspective. When you hold the camera in front of you and stretch your arm, it literally looks like if your hand becomes a selfie stick. You don't need any pole. It's perfect for motorcycling, mountain biking, running, skiing, or any sport where you want to capture as much of the environment as possible. And despite being almost unbelievably wide, the distortion is surprisingly minimal and the corners remain crisp. The footage retains the clean look and high quality of the Ace Pro 2 while expanding your field of view in a way that feels almost unreal. And speaking of the competitors, this is the widest field of view of the attachable boost lens among all the action cameras on the market at the moment. But the most exciting new lens, at least for me, is the close-up macro lens. This one transforms the Ace Pro 2 into a creative macro monster. The focal distance ranges from 100mm to 750mm, and you change it by rotating the ring on the lens, just like a professional macro lens on a mirrorless camera. The moment you attach it, the camera offers to enable focus peaking, and trust me, turn it on. The single feature makes the camera feel like a real filmmaking tool. The close-up lens lets you shoot extreme details. The detail you get with this lens is unbelievably good. The accessory alone opens a completely new chapter for action cameras. It's not a gimmick, it's a genuinely powerful creative tool. And now we move to the accessory that surprised me the most, the Insta360 Pocket Printer. I didn't expect to love this as much as I do, but once I started using it, it instantly became one of my favorite tools. This is a truly pocket-sized printer that actually works, and the prints look exactly like you expect with a resolution of 300 dpi, which is impressive for such a small device. The printer connects to the Ace Pro 2 over the Bluetooth. In the settings, you can choose whether you want to print photos to include the Leica watermark and whether you want to keep the Polaroid style white border. Both look fantastic depending on the mood of the shot. Printing is simple. You open your gallery, select a photo, press menu, tap print, and you even get a small preview before the final print. The printer uses a semi-die process, which means it prints one layer at a time and then seals the photo with a laminate. The entire process takes around 1 minute. It's slow in a nostalgic way, but the quality is worth it. The photos look sharp, clean and long-lasting, and if you run out of ink or paper, you can buy refill packs for $10. Each pack includes 10 sheets for paper plus the ink cartridge, so every photo costs around 50 cents, which is extremely reasonable compared to other portable printers or instant cameras. And what I love the most is that this is not a toy accessory. It works, and it gives you something physical from your digital adventures, something you can hand to a friend, stick into a travel journal, or keep as a memory. All of these accessories together transform the Ace Pro 2 into something bigger than just an action camera. The Videography Grip adds professional control, power, and dynamic zoom. The ultra-wide lens gives you an unbelievable immersive and cinematic field of view for sports and travel. The close-up macro lens allows you to film tiny, delicate details with professional-level clarity. And the pocket printer gives you an instant, high-quality prints that turn your digital shots into real memories. This isn't just an accessory release, it's a complete personality upgrade for the Ace Pro 2. Suddenly, it can be your travel camera, your street photography camera, your macro camera, and your creative filmmaking camera, your vlogging camera, and still your rugged action camera. So it becomes the kind of all-in-one device that feels like it should not be possible at this size. And that's why I genuinely think this update Insta360 Ace Pro 2 setup is real DJI Action 6 killer. Not because the camera changed, but because what it can do changed. It's smarter, it's more versatile, and with these new tools, it finally becomes a true hybrid system that adapts to whatever you want to film. And in the next few days, we'll have more episodes coming on my channel. So if you enjoyed this episode, just hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.